The name Cortero is believed to come from the Spanish word cortero, meaning division or quarters, referring to how the area was organized during the Spanish period. It was originally a barrio of Dao, where early settlers depending on farming and small-scale trade. Spanish missionaries also played a key role in introducing Christianity to the community. Cortero became an independent municipality on January 1, 1949, through Executive Order No. 205 signed by President Elpidio Quirino. Signed Executive Order No. 205 in 1949, officially creating Cortero as a municipality. Manuel Rojas, a native of Capiz who contributed to national leadership and development, influencing the progress of towns like Cortero. General Esteban Contreras, a revolutionary leader from Capiz who fought against Spanish and American rule, representing the bravery of local heroes in the province. Culture. The municipality is famous for its Agdahani festival that is celebrated jointly with the town fiesta in honor of San Antonio de Padua, where selected ladies from Cortero performed the Sayaw kay San Antonio de Padua, a ritual dance introduced in 1915 and is still danced up to the present as a thanksgiving for all the blessings that the Corteronhon received. They are famous for lauya, a traditional cuisine that is made of ubod ng buri, alubihod, tanglad, panggisa, and meat. Location and status. Cortero is a fourth-class municipality in the province of Capiz, located on Panay Island in the Western Visayas region. It is inland and surrounded by municipalities such as Dumalag and Dao. Land area and topography. The town has a moderate land area characterized by mostly flat to gently rolling terrain, making it suitable for agriculture. Rice fields dominate much of the landscape, along with small rivers and streams. Flora and fauna. Common plants include rice, coconut, banana, and root crops, while animals include farm livestock such as carabao, chickens, and pigs, along with the native birds found in rural areas. Population. Cortero has a small population, around 25,000 residents, mostly living in rural barangays with close-knit communities. Ethnic groups. The majority of residents are Hiligaynon or Ilonggo. There are no widely recognized ethnic minority groups, though cultural traditions remain strongly preserved. Key tourist attractions and historical sites. Capiz Ecological Park and Cultural Village, government-run eco-cultural hub, recognized at the ATOP DOT Pearl Award 2002 for Best Tourism Interpretation. Features: traditional houses, botanical garden, playground, and traditional toys. Activities: camping, team building, cultural education tours. Belfry of Cortero houses one of the oldest and loudest bells in Capiz, represents the town's historical and religious roots. Monument of General Contreras, statue of the local historical figures riding a horse, symbolizes Cortero's heritage and local heroes. Natural spots: Muray-Buray Spring, a scenic natural spring. Agpayaw Lake, a tranquil lake for nature enthusiasts. Cave, Kinan at Ulo Mountain Cave, and Agdahon Cave. Cortero stands out from other municipalities due to its deep-rooted connection to nature, culture, and simple agricultural living. Its traditions, festivals, and historical landmarks reflect a strong sense of identity and pride among its people. Above all, the unity and cooperation of the community make Cortero a unique and harmonious place to live.
Ating tulokon, damalayo lakon, banwa pangitaon. Dalang buhanon, sa dugay nga handom, ang banwa maangkon. Partero, partero, dugay sang langit. inspirasyon. Yari bato na ang himpit nga gugma sa tagsa-tagsa. Maghiliw sa pagtinad ang dala sa sininga banwa. Kwartero, kwartero, bugay sang langit nga naagong. Kwartero, kwartero, ikaw paglaom kag inspirasyon. Maghinang panay kag magbinuligay, malain isikway. Maghinirupay kag magkinalipay, sa banwa nga tunay. Kwartero, kwartero, bugay sang langit nga naagom. Kwartero, kwartero, ikaw paglaom kag inspirasyon. Ikaw paglaom kag inspirasyon. Ikaw paglaom kag inspirasyon.